Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something that almost everyone dreams of. Making money online. Not just side money, but real life-changing income. The kind that allows you to pay your bills, quit your job if you want, and live life on your own terms. But instead of throwing random top 10 websites at you, I'm going to share a real story. A journey that feels authentic. Because making money online is not about quick hacks. It's about building a system step by step. And I'll break down everything along the way so you can take action too. Let's start with a story. Imagine this. You're sitting in traffic every morning, driving to a job you don't really love. That was me a few years ago. I had a typical 9 to 5, good on paper, but deep inside, I knew something was missing. Bills kept stacking up, rent never got cheaper, and I started wondering, what if there was a better way? Then, one day while scrolling YouTube during my lunch break, I stumbled on a video about freelancing. Someone was talking about how they made their first $500 online just using skills they already had. And that hit me. If they could do it, why not me? I didn't jump into some crazy get-rich-quick scheme. Instead, I looked at my skills. I had a decent writing ability. Nothing extraordinary, but I knew how to put sentences together. So I signed up for a freelancing platform. My first gig? Writing a 500-word blog post for $10. That's it, $10. It wasn't glamorous, but you know what? That $10 was proof. Proof that money could come from somewhere other than my job. Proof that the internet was more than just memes and cat videos. It was a marketplace. Now, here's the truth. The first step to making money online is not about the amount. It's about proof of concept. You need to see money coming in, no matter how small, so your brain starts believing this path is real. But let me be real with you, it wasn't all smooth sailing. I remember sending out 50 proposals and getting only one reply. I remember clients ghosting me. I remember staying up until 2 a.m. writing for pennies. And I know some of you watching might have already tried freelancing or selling something online and felt like it doesn't work. Trust me, I've been there. The truth is, making money online is like building a business. You need patience, persistence, and a system. And here's the thing, most people give up way too early. So what happened after those $10 gigs? I reinvested my time. I learned SEO writing, I learned copywriting, and I slowly increased my rates. Eventually, I was making $50, $100, $200 per project. But I realized something important. Freelancing, while amazing, is still trading time for money. If I didn't write, I didn't get paid. And I wanted more freedom. That's when I discovered the power of digital products. Think about it. You create something once, like an ebook, an online course, or a template, and you can sell it hundreds or thousands of times. Suddenly the game changes from trading hours to building assets. And this is where I want you to pause and reflect. If you're serious about making money online, ask yourself, do I want short-term cash flow or long-term freedom? The best approach is often both. Start freelancing for quick income, then build digital products or businesses for scalability. Over time, I started experimenting with different streams. Freelancing gave me stability, digital products gave me scalability. Then I dabbled in affiliate marketing. Imagine recommending a tool or book you already love, and every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. That's how I made my first $100 while I was literally asleep. And let me tell you, waking up to money you earned overnight is a magical feeling. Later, I tried YouTube itself, creating content around skills and sharing my journey. And over months, ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate links started stacking up. The key here is that the internet allows you to build multiple streams of income, and you don't have to limit yourself to one. Now let's get brutally honest. Yes, making money online works, but it's not instant. Forget the scammy ads that promise $10,000 a month with zero effort. The reality? You need to treat it like a real job at first. You'll face rejection, you'll doubt yourself. You'll compare yourself to others, but if you stick with it, your future self will thank you. Here's the biggest truth. Consistency beats intensity. Doing small, consistent actions every day, sending one proposal, writing one blog, filming one video, beats trying to do everything in 1 week and burning out. So, how can you start making money online today? Let me give you a roadmap. Pick a path for quick wins. Freelancing is the fastest way to get cash flow. Look at your skills. Writing, design, video editing, coding, even virtual assistants. Sign up for freelancing platforms and start small. Build a long-term asset. While freelancing, create digital products, start a blog, launch a YouTube channel, or learn e-commerce. These take longer, but pay off big. Leverage existing platforms. Use sites like Etsy for printables, Gumroad for digital products, Amazon KDP for ebooks, YouTube for content. Stay consistent. Don't quit after 30 days. Give it 6-12 months of consistent effort before you judge the results. Remember, your first dollar online is the hardest. After that, the next $10, $100, and $1,000 will come easier. Fast forward to today. I'm not sitting in traffic anymore. I work from my laptop, from home, or sometimes a coffee shop. I've built multiple streams of income that give me freedom over my time. Do I still work hard? Absolutely. But now, my hard work builds assets that continue to pay me, even when I'm not glued to my desk. And that's the true power of making money online. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about building freedom brick by brick. So, if you're watching this and you're serious about making money online, here's what I want you to do. Start small. Don't wait for the perfect idea. Don't wait until you feel ready. Just start. Send that first proposal, create that first digital product, or upload that first video. Because the sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. And remember, this isn't just about money. It's about taking control of your life. The internet has leveled the playing field, and your only limit is your willingness to try. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more deep dives on online income, and drop a comment below. What's one step you'll take today to start your online journey? I'd love to hear your stories.